In order to understand where workers are being exposed to gas, no matter how small the amount, you can refer to the Gas Readings Report. This report will help reveal areas that have various combinations of hazardous gas. To see gas exposure data, navigate to Blackline Analytics through the main menu and select the report from the sidebar. The Gas Readings Report displays gas readings for each sensor on a particular device over a specified span of time. This allows you to compare sensor readings over time and easily lets you see if there are multiple exposures happening simultaneously. Areas of exposures are shown on a map. You can see areas of frequent exposures that should be avoided or should require workers to wear specialized equipment to enter. Hovering over a particular point will reveal what the reading was and when it was collected. This report provides a more complete and contextual view of particular gas events by giving you all gas reading information in addition to a location. This report is valuable for troubleshooting particular events as well as seeing a trend of gas exposure information over time.